Hello everyone. In this video we are showcasing our CNC tube hole punching and collaring machine. This equipment is mainly designed for punching and collaring operations on branch pipes. What we are demonstrating here is the machine running with an outer diameter of 19.05 mm and a punching hole diameter of 9.6 mm. The height of the flanged hole is precisely controlled by a servo system, allowing for fine adjustment according to actual production needs. This machine is under testing before delivery to KSAC. In addition, the distance between holes and the punching angle can all be easily set and adjusted through the intelligent operating system, ensuring high precision and flexibility in your processing work. See